Alright, today I'm going to show you things to look for as far as your Polaris 350L or 400 not idling right. Say it runs for about 15 minutes and it dies. I bought this thing and I thought, well, just might be the carburetor. So ripped the carburetor apart, rebuilt it, did the same thing. So then I noticed I got a little bit of white smoke coming out of the tailpipe. As you can see, I got this thing all ripped apart. I really going through it. Realized the head gasket was leaking. So I thought, alright, coolant's going into the piston, making it puke out. So I went ahead, pulled the head off, got myself a new gasket, threw it on, fired it up, did the same thing. Ran for 15 minutes and it died. So I eliminated two things. Carburetor's rebuilt, head gaskets put on. Another thing you want to look for are your crankshaft seals. I pulled mine out already, but there's one there and there's one on the other side. If your crankshaft seals are worn, they're gonna suck in air into the engine, make it run lean and die. Well, let me show you what my crankshaft seals look like. So for that side, this is what it looked like. It was pretty chewed up. I made it a little worse digging it out. But there's really nothing there sealing the crankshaft. So sucking in air, making it puke out. So I decided I wanted to check the other side. So I had ripped everything apart, checked the other seal, and when I checked the seal, pull this seal out because that one was bad too. I noticed this bearing here had fallen apart. All the ball bearings were half missing. This is what it looked like after I pulled it out. Center part just fell apart. So I'm going to put a new seal in there too. But so what I ended up doing was I pulled the pan off. Put a new bearing in. So if you ever wondered what your engine looked like with the pan off, here's your water pump, counterbalancer, crankshaft, timing, everything. I'm going to put this back together today, but thought I'd shoot a quick video, show you things to look for. When I bought this thing, I didn't expect to have to go this far with it, with the bearings. But good thing I did, because now it's going to run right. So I'm going to throw this back together, put my gaskets in, and I'm waiting for parts right now. So I'll put my seals back in, and she should fire up and idle fine. But with those seals shot, like I said, it's going to suck in air. It's going to run it a little lean, and first your engine's going to race, and then it's going to die. So I just thought I'd shoot this quick video, show you what to look for. Hope this helps you out. Subscribe to my other videos. There's more videos on other fixes for Polarises. Till next time.